Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to Tag. Ever wondered the applications which you are using, how they are running? That's where programming languages gets introduced. Java is a popular programming language created in 1995 and is owned by Oracle. It is used for mobile applications, especially Android apps, desktop applications, web server, and application servers, games. Now, why only Java as a language? The question emerges, right? Here is your answer. Java works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. It has a large demand in the current job market. It is easy to learn and simple to use. It is open source and free. It is secure, fast, and powerful. It has a huge community support. Java is an object oriented language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, lowering development cost. As Java is close to C++ and C, it makes it easy for programmers to switch to Java or vice versa. It is not necessary to have any prior programming experience if you follow up my videos. By the end of this, you would be able to write basic Java programs and create real life examples. Do support my channel cause it's taking hard work and time to bring out the videos up to your marks. Do subscribe and share your views and doubts in comments so that I can work on it. Keep learning, folks.